your favorite treatment in Belo?
So I'll go first.
Okay.
Since I'm a guy, I don't really have a lot of time. I'm not very willing to go to the clinic all the time. So I think I go maximum twice a month. But what I do, I share with the boys, guys listen. I make sure there's tightening. So I still like Thermage over Softwave and Ultera. Thermage is still my favorite. That's for my tightening. I do it every 4 months. Okay. To resurface my skin, I really like Vivace or the Virtual RF, which is the new one. But I haven't actually done the Virtual RF. It's so busy. This machine is parang always busy.
I tried it. I really saw the effects.
I can't even book myself for Virtual RF. So that's for my resurfacing. But I love putting exosomes also on my skin. We can explain to you what exosomes are after. And then I make sure I take care of the hair. So I also do ASCE, the exosomes for the hair. I think that's about it. And then we have M-Scalp Neo. I think it's not yet available here in Cebu, but we have one in our house. So,
sarap naman.
para siya yung sa mga tamad mag-workout.
Actually, yeah. Yun yung kahit bagong gising ka, may abs ka na. Ganon. How about you, Dr.?
Well, I can't say I have a favorite. Of course, I try everything because before I recommend to anybody, I make sure that I've tried it so I know it works. But starting with the older, you lose hair, so I do the hair. For my face, my favorites are the NCTF for my eyes, to tighten my eyes because as you get older, nag-hooding. So I notice that it really brightens my eyes and opens it. For the neck, that's an area that really gives away your age if you're older. So I do a lot of exosomes for my neck as well. So my hair and my neck are exosomes. For my facials, I alternate Renova because I love it for exfoliation. And the nice thing about Renova that I don't think people know is that it stops perspiration on your armpits. Most people know that if you want to stop perspiring on your armpits, instead of having to use deodorant every day, you do Botox. And that's supposed to be good for 4 to 6 months. But the Renova, the problem with Botox is because it relaxes the muscles, the armpits especially get loose. So it looks awful and your arms get loose. So the Renova tightens the armpits while at the same time it kind of paralyzes the sweat glands from perspiring, and it's so painless as compared to Botox. Although we put anesthesia, it's still an injection. There's times when you feel something, and so this one's totally painless, and it also lifts the arms because that's one of the problems I think people age in their arms. And then of course I love Onda. Ang dami nga. And then, to feel smooth so that Hayden will always touch me. I love doing the mermaid facial because it's both for the face and for the body.
I forgot to share one thing. One procedure that I do almost every month is Anvalite. That's the one for pigmentation. So I have one for tightening, one for pigmentation, I have one for resurfacing, and one for regeneration.
Of course.
Here's the funny thing. Hindi ko pwede gawin more frequently because bawal. Why bawal? Kasi pinagbabawalan din boss. I cannot look too young. Hindi ako pwede kumain. Botox hindi ako pwede. Anything that will make me look too young, bawal. In fact, nakakarating sa kanya.
Because our age gap is 23 years. So ang idea ko, sabi ko kay Hayden, I told him, because he was 25, I was 14. Sabi ko, okay, you're young pa, but then one day I hope to keep my age the same. Trying to make my age look 48.
Mag-freeze
And then,
na.
while you get older, and at some point in time, baka mag-meet naman tayo.
Yeah.
Kasi pagod na ako, tinatanong, are you the mother of Hayden? Alam naman nila, hindi ako mother, di ba? Pero pretending lang sila, talaga nag-insulto lang. So I said, you cannot look too young. I have to look older.
I-stress mo pa siya ng konti para wag na puti-puti yun.